JFK, about to leave to Zurich. Yeah, currently at Buffalo Wild Wings. Goodness. I'm gonna go to Zurich for about 24 hours, walk around, see what's up there. I'm on my way to Mumbai.
Endstation. Bitte alle aussteigen. The train is arriving at the final station. Please disembark.
It's about 1:30 p.m. locally in Zurich, and just got on the train. It's quite a hassle to figure out how to do everything, but it's cool. It's a pretty bustling airport once you get through security, which is the quietest thing I've ever seen in my life. It's super, super quiet. Feels like a library. 2-story train. Pretty interesting. Going to the city center. Heading to what is supposed to be the world's oldest vegetarian restaurant. I don't know about that because it's in Switzerland. I feel like maybe the world's oldest vegetarian restaurant might be in India or something, but who knows? What do I know? But I'm excited because it's supposed to be amazing. It's a buffet and you pay by weight, so I'm gonna eat like a French fry. But I'm excited because I've been a vegetarian pretty much my whole life, and so this will be something hopefully really cool. And I'm just walking aimlessly around this city. It's a really cool city, to be honest. I've never been in a city like this before. Just alone, me and all my friends that don't exist. So this vegetarian restaurant was pretty cool. It was started in 1898, I believe, late 1800s. And it's called Haus hiltl. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'll put that down at the bottom. Link will be in the description to the website. Really great food. A lot of Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and Indian cuisine. Some Western food too. The quality of the food was so good. But the only thing is, it was freaking expensive. So, like I said, I had a very small amount, and it was, I don't remember exactly how many francs it was, but it was quite a lot. But the quality was great. The buffet had like everything, and it was so tempting to me as a lifelong vegetarian to just get all that I could, but I can't afford that. I was on a pretty limited budget, but it was a great place. So highly recommend Haus hiltl. They have I think 3 or 4 locations, and the one I was at, the main one, I think that's the old original one. The cool thing also about Haus hiltl was just the different varieties of food they had, and there is people from different parts of the world there. Heard people speaking English, so I guess it's quite an institution. It's pretty easy to get there, actually. I got there, basically I got into the airport, and then I took this airport shuttle train into the center of the city, into the main train station there. So once you're at the main train station, basically I mapped it out before I lost Wi-Fi. You just pretty much walk directly straight from there and you'll find it. So, and it's kind of famous, so if you ask some locals, they'll know. Supposed to be finding this restaurant, but I got sidetracked by this amazing place. Let's go up here, because why not? Let's see what's at the top of this hill. Giant chest, something I did not expect to see. Lots of wizards chests. Got oh fart. And it's dank. The cool thing about Zurich is that they really have a lot of tourist information centers all over. So actually in the train station, there's tourist information center. You go, you can ask a question. They're super helpful. They speak great English. I just went in there. I said, hey, what can I do? I have 24 hours. I want to do something active. I want to do something cool and free. And they said, oh, you can go up this mountain and you can have a nice hike. At the top of the mountain, there was this tower. I saw this tower and there's people at the top and I was like, wow, I want to go up that.
Can I go up this?
So I got there.
Well, it costs money. But I went in and asked that crazy futuristic hotel place, and a really nice girl gave me this, which isn't really money, but it'll work. So I'm gonna go use it. And this country's really awesome so far, and really nice. It's just like a breathtaking place that I never expected to go. So I recommend if you have a 24-hour layover, make it in Zurich. Okay, let's do it. Yay! I made it! And I'm running up the stairs. Okay. This is so cool. I've been bumming my way around Switzerland. Like, graffiti says this is ridiculous. And I agree. In a good way. It's like, why is this American talking to himself? This is why. Oh, look at those little ants down there. Telling you, it gives you more of a chill than going on a roller coaster.